Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Facebook Ads Manager, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.facebook.com and press enter. If you already have a Facebook account, you'll see the login fields. Enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. Next, type in your password in the designated field. Once you've filled in your details, click the blue login button. You'll be directed to your Facebook newsfeed. Now, locate the menu icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the menu icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Scroll down until you see the Ads Manager option. Click on Ads Manager to access your advertising dashboard. If you manage multiple ad accounts, select the account you wish to work with. You'll now be in the Facebook Ads Manager interface. Here, you can view your campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. To create a new campaign, look for the Create button. Click Create to start your advertising process. Follow the prompts to set up your campaign. You are now ready to navigate and utilize Facebook Ads Manager effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.